Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you a tag journal. Oh look, this is glued down. Oh my gosh, a tag journal that I made using Ooh La La Vintage Treasures Romantic Serenade Kit. And I'm also using all laces and appliques from Julie at KS4U. So both of those will be linked for you. But in the kit you have these really large, okay, Grayson is here, I'm watching him. So if you hear him in the background, you know, and it bothers you, I apologize, but he's playing with a bunch of embossing folders. And I think he wants in my lap now, but we'll get through this. We'll be fine. Life has been very busy, so I haven't been around much. We got little dangles from the center string, but look at this beautiful image. Isn't this pretty? And all of my kits are put together. My Ooh La La Vintage Treasures kits, because I have quite a few printed out. So I believe every image in here is from the Romantic Serenade, but if not, forgive me. But her Etsy will be listed down below. But I just love this image. Isn't that pretty? And with this flower applique, isn't that pretty? And so what it is it's two tags that I just didn't cut apart, and I made this. This is totally different than the beautiful tag journal I made a couple of years ago. I want to make another one of those. This is just using up some of the stuff that I have printed while I'm waiting for the next kit to be designed. But yeah, I think this is so pretty. Look at that image. Isn't that pretty? So every page has lacer appliques on them, and we have pockets on most of the pages, but this is definitely a look-see journal. Although there is writing space, but it's something pretty and inspiring to have around. Isn't that pretty? The images are just gorgeous. Little ticket here says France. Suitcases. See, that's where I think this might be from another kit. I don't want to guess, but look at that applique. Isn't that pretty? And all these beautiful laces are, and these appliques. Did I skip that page? Are beautiful. Look at that. And KS4U is, and look at that. It can be a little tuck there. And then we have the film strips in the center with these pretty pink and clear little faucets. They're cut so that there's always sparkles on them. But KS4U, you go KS and then the number 4U.net, and that's her website where she sells everything. Laces, trims, appliques, beads, findings. I'm trying to think. She just has absolutely everything in her shop. She also does live sales on YouTube's, and if you catch those, her prices are cheaper. We're talking $1.25 for 2 yards of lace. I mean, you can't get any cheaper than that. But look at these appliques. Aren't they pretty? This is such a pretty journal. And then, oh, I missed a page there. And then Doreen at Ooh La La Vintage Treasures has a lot of, look at that, amazing kits. So there, just something fun to do. But Doreen has a lot of amazing kits. Her Etsy will be linked, as well as her YouTube. And go check out her Etsy and check out all of her kits. They're just stunning. And they can be mixed and matched as well, because the kits, they all just simply go together. So I hope you enjoyed this little tag journal. And don't forget to hit the like. Leave me a comment, please. It'll help me with YouTube, help my channel grow. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and hit that bell to be notified of my next upload. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.